So say you have a function that looks like this. H of t, where t is the independent variable, is equal to 3t squared minus 4t minus 5. And I want you to find h of negative 2, h of negative 1, and then h of w. So for part A, h of negative 2, this is evaluating the function at negative 2. It isn't multiplying the function by negative 2. This notation means that h of negative 2 is h of t when t is negative 2. So basically what we do is we replace all the t's we see in this function, 3t squared minus 4t minus 5, with negative 2. So in this case, h of negative 2 is 3 times negative 2 squared minus 4 times negative 2 minus 5, right? So simplifying, this becomes 3 times negative 2 squared, which is positive 4, minus 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, right? So this is minus negative 8 minus 5. And then simplifying again, 4 times 3 is 12, minus negative 8 means plus 8, minus 5. So that becomes 12 plus 3, which is 15. So h of negative 2 is equal to 15. Alright? Great. So now we found A. Let's go down and do B. B is h of negative 1, which is the same thing as part A, except we're replacing it with a different number. So h of negative 1 is h of t when t is equal to negative 1. So wherever we see t, we replace with negative 1. So h of negative 1 is, what's the function? 3t squared, 3 times negative 1 squared, minus 4t, 4 times negative 1, minus 5. So simplifying, this becomes 3 times negative 1 squared, which is just positive 1, minus 4 times negative 1, which is negative 4, minus 5. And then simplifying again, this becomes 3 minus negative 4, which is plus 4, minus 5. And that's 7 minus 5, which is positive 2. So h of negative 1 is positive 2. Finally, for part C, we have h of w, right? So let's rewrite this function here. 3t squared minus 4t minus 5. So h of t is 3t squared minus 4t minus 5. So that way we can keep track of our function. So h of w is h of t when t is equal to w. So now it's just like in the past examples, except this time we're replacing it with another letter instead of a number. So h of w becomes 3 times w squared minus 4 times w minus 5. And since w isn't a number, then our answer is going to be in terms of w. So since there's nothing else we can do, we can just get rid of the parentheses. So this simplifies to 3w squared minus 4w minus 5. And that is what h of w is.